Hi, another day, another surgery. Well, our case for today is Gore-Tex rhinoplasty. So, whenever I do Gore-Tex rhinoplasty, it's always structural, no? When you say structural, ginagawa natin lahat, no? Minumove yung lower lat and everything. In this case, dahil medyo mababa yung kanyang tip, I will put something, yung PCL or osteomesh, no? Para maangat na ganyan yung kanyang tip, magkaroon ng support, tip support. So, after natin ilagay yung PCL or the osteomesh, we will put the cartilage, yung from the ear. Kuha tayo ng cartilage sa ear, lalagay natin dito sa tip. No? Then, I'm going to put the Gore-Tex for the bridge. Siyempre, as I have always been saying, na hindi po dapat mataas ang Gore-Tex, no? Dapat hindi aabot dun sa may bandang noo. Para natural looking, I always make it a point na natural looking ang ating mga rhinoplasty, no? Not too high, not too low, no? So yung tip po, pag Gore-Tex rhinoplasty, it's always tip dependent. Kung gaano nyo pong kataas ginawa yung tip, ang tawag nga nila yung sa tip ko is the V-tip. No? Nakaganyan, nagiging ganyan yung korte ng tip. No? It's the Vasquez tip. So, pag inangat po natin yan, dyan po magiging dependent yung height ng Gore-Tex. No? Minsan, hindi na kailangan ng alar trimming pag inangat natin yung tip. Pag medyo maliliit yung alar base, pag hinila yung tip, hindi na kailangan ng trimming. So, that is our case for today. Actually, yung patient po natin is from Singapore. No, ni-refer lang po siya nung previous patients natin, mga pasyente ko noon. Ni-refer daw siya. So, that's it. Another day, another surgery. Another day, another watch. Milgos. See you at the OR. Hi, we're done with our surgery, Gore-Tex rhinoplasty. So, I did a T-plasty. We placed a cartilage on the tip. I also placed an osteomesh or the PCL mesh para medyo umangat ng konting ganyan. Ano? Kailangan ng support sa tip eh. Hindi kaya ng cartilage lang. So, and I placed the Gore-Tex, the 5mm Gore-Tex for the bridge para natural looking lang, not too high. So, here's the result. Yung tawag nga nila, the V-tip. No? V kasi nakaganyan na yung tip niya. No? So, I'm with Dr. Adrian Nang from Hong Kong. Our training fellows and some of our training fellows are here. Dr. Seth from Cebu. Dr. Jason from Osamis. Dr. Aliring, siyempre my daughter, no? Magandang babae yan, mana sa tatay. Dr. Cruz, hindi niya asawa si Adriel Cruz. Si Dr. Adriel Cruz, ano po to? Pinsan ni Tom Cruz. And si Dr. Kat, yung kasama po natin sa breast augmentation last time. So that's it. Another day, another surgery. See you.